Good morning, students. How are you all? Okay, you're fine. And yes, I am fine too. So, students, I welcome you to today's tele-education class. Okay, so are you all ready for the class? Okay. So, uh, before beginning the class, I want to ask you a question. Okay. So, এতিয়া কোৱাচোন আমি যেতিয়া ইংলিছত আমি গ্ৰামাৰত টাইমৰ কথা কওঁ, okay, when we speak about time, আমি কোনটো টপিকৰ হেল্পেৰে আমি টাইমৰ কথা বুজাও? ক'ব পাৰিবানে? Yes? তোমালোকে সকলোৱে জানা হয় নাই? আমি টাইমৰ কথা কওঁ, যেনেকে আমি কিছুমান কথা যোনটো সদায় হৈ থাকে বা সদায় আমি কৰি থকা কাম বুজাও, হয়নে নাই? তো আমি এটা টপিক এটাৰ হেল্পেৰে সেই টাইমৰ কথাবোৰ বুজাও, হয়নে নাই? Yes, ক'ব পাৰিবানে কি আছিলে টপিকটো? তোমালোকে সকলোৱে জানা? Yes, very good. আমি টেন্সৰ হেল্পেৰে আমি টাইমৰ কথা কওঁ, হয়নে নাই? Yes? Okay. So today we are going to learn about tense. এতিয়া কোৱাচোন, how many tenses do we have in English grammar? English grammar আমাৰ কেইটা tense আছে? Tense বুলি ক'লে আমি কি জানো? কি tense বুলি গম পাওঁ? Yes. We have কি? তিনটা tense আছে আমাৰ, হয় না? We have present tense, yes, past tense and future tense, right? Yes. So আজি আমি কি পঢ়িম? Obviously আমি first to পঢ়িম, that is present tense. ঠিক আছে? Okay. So now let us begin. Okay, so here we have a conversation. Okay, conversation between Rohan and Sharad. Okay, so চাওচোন আহা কি কথা পাতে তেওঁলোকে. Okay, so hi Sharad, how are you? So Rohan is asking, hi Sharad, how are you? Hi Rohan, I'm fine. How about you? I'm doing great. What are you doing this weekend? I'm going for a movie with my friend. And what's your plan? I'm not sure yet. So, Sarathe কলে মই এতিয়াও sure নহয় কি কৰিম. Okay. Well, do you want to come and watch a movie with me? Which movie are you going to watch? The new comedy movie by Mr. Bean. Oh, I have already watched it. You carry on. All right, maybe next time. Okay. So this was the conversation between Rohan and Sharad. Okay. So bye. See you later. Bye. Okay. এতিয়া আমি চাম গোটেই conversation to Rohane কি কৈছে? Hi Sharad, how are you? Sharad. Hi Rohan, I'm fine. How about you? Rohan. I'm doing great. Sharad. What are you doing this weekend? Rohan. I'm going for a movie with my friend. And what's your plan? Sharad. I'm not sure yet. Rohan, well, do you want to come and watch a movie with me? Sarath, which movie are you going to watch? Rohan, the new comedy movie by Mr. Bean. Sarath, oh, I have already watched it. You carry on. Rohan, all right, maybe the next time. Okay? Okay, bye. See you later. Bye. Okay, so this was the conversation. So now see, talking about present. Okay, so we are going to what? Learn about present tense now. Clear? Okay. So what is happening here? Yes. So it's a farm, isn't it? It's a paddy field, and this little boy and this man, they are sowing what? The paddy. Yes. So let's see. My grandfather is a farmer. He works hard in the field. Okay, my grandfather is a farmer. He works hard in the field. I help him. I remove weeds. Okay, now let us see again what the boy is doing here. I husk the coconuts. See, he is husking the coconuts. Okay. Now see what he is doing. I water the plants. He is watering the plants. My grandfather is a farmer. He works hard in the field. I help him. I remove weeds. I husk the coconuts. I water the plants. Okay, now let us look at these words. So we have is, works, help, remove, husk and water. Okay, so what are these? Present. Okay, so when we are talking about present tense, we use these words. Clear? Okay, now let's see government hospital. Okay, so it's a government hospital. So let's see what is going to happen here. Okay, there is a patient here. This is my aunt. Okay, and there is a nurse too. Okay, so this is my aunt. She works in a government hospital. So this nurse, she works in this government hospital. She takes care of patients. Okay, look, she is taking care of patients. So here we have is, works, takes. Okay, is, works, takes. And now let us see. My grandmother is a doctor. She checks patients every morning. Is, checks. Okay, then here let's see now. I help her during my stay there. I help her during my stay there. Here we have help. Okay, so students, I hope all of you have understood. We are talking about present tense, and now we have seen some words which are, some verbs which are used what? In present tense. Okay, so now I have a question for you all. So all of you please look at the question properly and try to answer it correctly. Okay, so what is there in the question? Identify the sentence with the present tense from the, present tense form of the verb. Okay, so which sentence has present tense form of the verb? Okay, so I'm giving you all 40 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, students, your time is up. And which one will be the correct answer according to you all? Yes, option B is the correct answer. I do my homework every day. Okay, so here the present tense form of the verb. Okay, so it's the present tense form. Do is in the present tense form of the verb. Clear? Okay. Now let us move on to the next part. So here we have fill in the blanks. So there are some options given here. So go, rides, go, wait, enjoy, spend, love. Okay. So now look at this picture. So what is happening here? Yes, they are what? School children, isn't it? Students. So let's see. Jeevan and Deepa are my close friends. We dash to school together. Okay. Now, which one will be the correct answer here from the given options? Jeevan and Deepa are my close friends. We dash to school together. Yes. So, which one will be the correct answer? Yes. Option what? Which option? Yes. So go. Here go will be the correct answer and it's in the correct form only. Okay. So Jeevan and Deepa are my close friends. We go to school together. Then now what we have, let us see. On Sunday, we dash to a farm near my house. So here we have another one, another question. So what will be the correct answer here? On Sunday, we dash to a farm near my house. Yes? We? So which one will be the correct option for this blank? Yes, we go. Yes, we go to the farm, to a farm near my house. Then next, let us see. Okay, so what do we have here? There Jeevan dash the horse to fun. Okay, so there Jeevan dash the horse to fun. So what does Jeevan do in the farm with the horse? Yes. So which one is going to be the correct answer here? Yes, very good. Jeevan rides. Yes, so Jeevan rides the horse to fun. Okay. Okay. Now let us see. But Deepa and I dash our time with rabbits and cows. We dash birds and animals. So, but Deepa and I dash our time with rabbits and cows. So, what is going to be the correct answer here? Yes, we dash birds and animals. Yes, very good. Deepa and I spend our time with rabbits and cows. We dash birds and animals. We So what is going to be the correct option here? Yes, we love birds and animals. Clear? Okay, we love birds and animals. Then now, I dash ducks because they dash in the water. So what will be the correct answer here? I dash ducks because they dash in the water. Yes? Yes, very good. I love ducks because what do ducks do in the water? Yes, very good. Ducks wade in the water, isn't it? Because they wade in the water. Since ducks is in the plural form, we cannot use wades here. We have to use wade. Okay? Correct? Yes. We dash our time together. Again, which one is going to be the answer here? We dash our time together. We, yes, enjoy our time together. Okay, so here I have another question for you all. All of you, please listen to the question attentively and try to answer it. So fill in the blanks with the present tense form of the verb. My father dash, in the bracket we have wake up at 5:30 a.m. every day. So we have four options: woke, wake, get up, wakes. Okay, so I'm going to give you all 40 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, students, your time is up. So, which one is going to be the correct answer here? My father dash, we have in the bracket wake up at 5:30 a.m. every day. My father Yes, option D. My father wakes up at 5:30 a.m. every day. Clear? Okay. So now let us move on to the next part. So what is the girl doing here? Yes, she is sleeping, right? Let's see. To express regular activity, what do we do? She gets up at 6 in the morning. Yes, so she gets up at 6 in the morning. So this is a regular activity, isn't it? Something that she does every day, right? Yes. Okay, so what is she doing now? Yes, brushing. She brushes her teeth every day. So every day we brush our teeth, isn't it? So it's a regular activity again. Now she is going to school. She goes to school on her bicycle. Here, the school bell rings at 9 o'clock. She eats lunch with her friends at 1 o'clock. Okay, so all these things are what? Something that happens regularly every day. Okay, she plays with her friends in the evening. She helps her mother after school. She does her homework. She watches TV after dinner. She goes to bed at 10 o'clock. Okay, so she gets up at 6 in the morning. She brushes her teeth every day. She goes to school on her bicycle. The school bell rings at 9 o'clock. She eats lunch with her friends. She plays with her friends in the evening. She helps her mother after school. She does her homework. She watches TV after dinner. She goes to bed at 10 o'clock. Okay, so these are the things that happens regularly. Gets up, brushes, goes, rings, eats, plays, helps, does, watches, goes. Okay. So what are these? Habitual actions, something that is done on regular basis. Regular activity. Okay. Scheduled activity. Present. Okay. So in present tense, all these things takes place. Clear? Okay. So write Mina's father's routine. So let's look at Mina's father's routine. Okay, so he has got up from sleep 5 o'clock. He gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Rina's father gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning. So here we have gets. Yes, so he's going for a walk now. Walk. He goes for a walk every day. Goes. Then newspaper 7 a.m. He reads the newspaper at 7 a.m. Reads. Then he's having breakfast now. Breakfast 8 a.m. He takes his breakfast at 8 a.m. Takes. Office 8:30 a.m. So he goes to office at 8:30 a.m. Goes. So he has come back home 5:30 p.m. He returns at 5:30 p.m. Returns. Meena evening. So he plays with Meena in the evening. Plays. So this is Meena's father's routine. Okay. So to express an activity that is permanent. Okay. So we have already learned about habitual activity, something that happens on regular basis. In present tense, this happens in present tense, and now to express an activity that is permanent, that cannot be changed. So the sun rises in the east. So can you all change the sun rising from west? No. Sun rises in the east only. Rises in the east. Then, okay. So he is hoisting the flag now. Okay. So we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. Now the train is leaving, isn't it? The Shatabdi Express runs from Bengaluru to Chennai twice a week. Okay, Shatabdi Express runs from Bengaluru to Chennai twice a week. Runs. Okay, so these are something that happens permanently, cannot be changed. Okay, so now I have a question for you all. All of you, please look at the question properly. So fill in the blanks with the present tense form of the verb. We dash, in the bracket we have celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. So celebrate, celebrates, will celebrate, celebrated. So I'm giving you all 40 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, students, your time is up. And let's see what the correct answer is. We dash Republic Day on 26th January every year. So which one is going to be the correct answer here? Yes? Which is the correct answer? Yes, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Right? Okay, so celebrate is the correct option here. Okay, next is to express a future event that is part of a fixed program. Okay, something that is going to happen in the future and it's fixed. Okay, now let's see. The next flight is at 5 tomorrow morning. Okay, next flight is at 5 tomorrow morning. Is. Now let us see. Savita's summer vacation starts in April. Savita's summer vacation starts in April. Starts. Then the match starts at 9 o'clock. The match starts at 9 o'clock. Starts. To express a general truth or fact. The sun is a hot ball of fire. Is. Here we have what? Yes, sugar. Sugar is sweet. Is. The earth revolves round the sun. Revolves. Okay, so these are the things that what? Yes, cannot be changed. Okay. So what was it? A general truth or fact. You cannot change it. Okay, so now I have another question for you all. So all of you please look at the question properly. So fill in the blanks with the present tense form of verb. Sun dash in the east. In the bracket we have rise. Okay. Sun. So what will be the correct option here? So I'll give you all 40 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, students, your time is up. And what is going to be the correct answer here? Sun dash in the east. Yes. So which one will be the correct answer here? Yes, very good. Sun rises in the east. That is option B. Okay, now let us move on to the next part. So here we have, see, U, universal truth, H, habitual action, P, permanent, F, future event. Okay. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. This is permanent. My father goes to office by train. So what will be this? In which category? Yes, habitual action. Then dolphins live in the sea. Then in which category will this fall? Yes, universal truth. U. Then summer vacation starts in April. This will fall under which category? Yes, permanent. Then we sing national anthem in our school. So this is what? Permanent. The sky is blue. This will fall under, yes, universal truth. Rainbow has 7 colors. This will fall under, yes, universal truth. I pray to God every day. This will fall under habitual. The kabaddi match starts at 8 o'clock. This will fall under, yes. Okay. Now we have fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs. Present. So James dash hard. So in the bracket we have work. So what will be the correct form? James, yes, works hard. They dash basketball every Sunday. So we have play. So here which one will be the correct, what will be the correct form? They, yes, play. Priya dash German, speak. So what will be the correct form here? Priya, good, speaks. Then we have a cat dash a rat. Okay. So we have in bracket eat. So what will be the correct form? Yes, eats. Then Maya dash an elephant with a pencil. In the bracket we have draw. So what will be the correct form here? Yes, draws. Elephant dash heavy logs of wood. We have carry. So what is the correct form here? Yes, carries. Then Tom and Jerry dash with each other. We have fight. So what will be the correct form? Yes, fights. Oh, sorry, fight, yeah. I dash my teeth twice a day. We have brush here. Yes, it will be brush only. Okay, so I have another question for you all. All of you, please read the question properly and try to answer it. So fill in the blanks with the past tense form of the verb. They dash football very well. Plays, played, play, playing. So I'm giving you all 40 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, students. So what will be the correct answer here? The past tense form of the word play. Yes, they played football very well. Option B. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood whatever I have taught you in today's class. So it's very easy. You just have to practice and you just have to know the rules properly. Okay? Okay. So that's all for today's class. We'll meet again in the next class with a new and more interesting topic. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.